Hey, my name is Sergey and I'm founder of SmartyKit, a Lego to build the first Apple computer, step by step, wire by wire. We have Steve Wozniak, co-founder of Apple, as our first client. Also, we have a great story of a 6-year-old girl. Her father, a professor at the Ivy League university, bought her SmartyKit as a birthday present. She got it, she was surprised, and then she started to assemble it. When she got it working, she was so excited and she learned so much. So she came to her daddy and said, "Daddy, I can teach your students at your university how computers work. And maybe you're gonna be the next Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak." So pre-order now and subscribe.